Hi guys, so we're here with Nihon Binary today. I'm just going to have a look and see what these guys do. They specialise on importing products into Japan and then obviously putting them out through the Japanese environment. I've got this gentleman who's going to give us a quick overview of the company. So yeah, so just tell us a little bit more about like the actual company.
Okay. Nihon Binary is basically the trading company. We import products from all over the world, but we import new advanced technologies.
Yeah.
So like Miroki or like
Tron One.
Tron One.
Yeah.
And we deal with mainly with the advanced universities and research centers, and also company research departments.
Right. Perfect. And how old is the company?
Our company was established in the 1979, so
Oh, wow.
it's almost 45 years.
Wow. Okay, that's a lot of cold. And then I see you do the 3D printing as well, so that's part of it.
Yes, 3D printing we started in really early stage, from the early stage. So we are one of the oldest suppliers of desktop 3D printing technology.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
And do you see the 3D printing industry growing fast, or the robot industry growing fast? Which one's accelerating?
Yeah, it's I think it's more for professional. Industrial customers.
Yeah.
So they are now more and more adopting this technology, and it is quite in the level of the practical uses for industry customers.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a thing. Yeah. Okay. That's quite a good overview of what you guys do. So, yeah, guys, obviously importer of different types of products. So if you're looking to get products into Japan, like maybe come speak to these guys, and they can have a look at doing like distribution around like Japan for you. Perfect. Thank you. Cool.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.